just like fluent in English, and if you have dreamed to speak just like wonderful and wow English, this video is only for you. Because in today's video, I am going to discuss one common problem that is faced by every English learner while talking in English. And if you watch this video and if you follow this strategy and method for this problem, your problem will have solved so quickly, and you will speak just like native speaker in English. So before any further ado, let's get into the video. So, guys, today I am going to discuss one common problem that is faced by every English learner. What is that? Let's have a look on that. That is, I hesitate and I fumble while speaking in English language. So, how I can solve this problem and what is the solution for this problem? So, before looking the solution, I just want to tell you that, before going to the solution, you must know that why this problem has come in my life. Miss, you should know the reason of that problem. Is it happening with me? And am I only facing this problem? Yeah, this problem is faced by every English learner. Let me tell you, this problem is faced by every English learner. Even I have faced this challenge when I was beginner in English. And I just want to tell you one real story of my English journey. When I was just beginner in English, so I have remember when it was my first day, first person asked me for introduction only, and I could not even express my thought as I should. I was able. I could not. I could not able to express my thought. At the time, my brother, who did not know anything, he was helping me, and he was even laughing on me that you are reading in this standard and you don't know how to give your even introduction in English. But right now he doesn't laugh on me. So how it has happened? How I have solved this hesitation, and how I speak English with confidence. So I will tell you that how I speak English with confidence. But do you know why it is happening with you? So let me tell you. You have to not worry about it, because this is a common problem which is faced by every English learner, and the solution for this problem is very simple. So it is happening because you are not habitual of it. First thing is this. Second thing, that you have fear. You have fear that if I do mistakes, so people will laugh on me, they will gonna make fun of me. So that is why you are facing this problem. When I was talking with that man, I have remembered as well. I had this thought in my mind that if I do mistake, he will laugh on me, and I could not even speak because I was too much hesitating, and I had not confident. I was fearing even a lot. So it was happening because I was not habitual of that, and I used to not do that thing every day. Miss, like that was my first day. So that is why it was happening. Suppose that you are, if you are a teacher, if you are a teacher right now of any school, so can you just experience like how did you spend your first day in your school? Like there was one first teacher in my school. He came and he was new and he was teaching us. Okay, so his body was like trembling, and he was shaking. I could see he was teaching, and like he had a marker in his hand, and his hand was fumbling. So it happens with everyone. If you start anything first time, you will, hesitate, fumble, because you have not experience about that thing. But if you start doing that thing regular, on regular basis, you will never gonna face any problem. Okay, are you understanding my point, what I want to say? So just do this, that do practice every day with consistency, and whatever problems and barrier you are getting, you have to not glum and melancholy, because you have to apply one wonderful thing that I am applying. You have to just think just like scientists. you know like, when do scientists like research and do experiment, when does their experiment fail, so they don't, like, take and see that as a failure and as a negative way. They think that what is going here, what is going here. Yeah, like, let me think what is going here, what I'm going to learn something new from it. Can I learn something new from it? So, like, they see as a failure a part of a journey, and they try to go more in that, deep in that, and they try to learn. So, suppose that you are hesitating in English, go so deep in it and think that why I'm hesitating, what is the solution for problem, what is the solution for this problem, how I can eliminate this problem, because you are a brilliant and an intelligent creature of the earth. You have power to solve your problem, even the problem of other too. You are not here on the earth to solve your problem only, but you can even solve the problem of other. So see, those who can solve the problem of other, why not he can solve the problem of itself? He can also solve. But you have to change your mentality, you have to change your thinking power, and then you have to work on it, and you will get it. And I just want to tell you that I want to tell this thing which is very important. You have to watch this video, okay? See what is happening with the people, that they, like, do practice for 10 days, 20 days, then say, oh my god, my English is not improving, what should I do? I should weep, and they become so aggressive on themselves, and sometimes so melancholy, sometimes this, like, they distract as well. So I just simply want to tell you guys, you have to also do something for it as well. You have to also take this situation, and you have to also think as a scientist way for this situation as well. Let me tell you, scientists make one timetable that I have to give 1 month for this experiment. Like, suppose that in first attempt I could not get success, I will try another day, another day, another day, and like I will try to do it for 1 month. If it is, like, get success in 1 month, so that would be better, otherwise I will left that. So same thing you have to do. Just if you are learning English, so like make one timetable that I have to just learn continuous practice every day for 1 month, 1 week, 2 month. If I not get little bit result, I will leave it. I will stop following that method, and I will adopt other method. So just think like a scientist. Then you will definitely gonna get success in your life. And hope you have enjoyed this video. And if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. I will be keep uploading such type of wonderful video and knowledgeable video for you. Because guys, when I was beginner, I decided that when I will have learned this language, whatever support, if I can give support to the people, I will try to support them. So right now, like, this is the indulgence of God that I'm helping you and learning even from you. So thank you so much for watching, and keep watching my videos, and keep supporting me. Thank you so much.